Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the paid app is tied to one account. Sign in on the other device with that same store account. This is the single reliable route. Once signed in, check payment and purchase history so the store recognizes ownership. Make sure the target device is on Wi-Fi, plugged in, and updated to the minimum OS version required. Doing this avoids download blocks and ensures the store will allow you to re-download without repurchase. You then open the App Store and go straight to Purchases or Purchased. Find the paid app and press Download or Install. The store checks ownership and lets you re-download at no cost. If you prefer not to sign in with the original account, use family or purchase sharing. Invite the other account, accept on the target device, and enable shared purchases. Once accepted, the app shows available to install because the store recognizes a shared license rather than forcing a new payment. You finish by launching the app and signing into its service, and if needed, restoring in-app purchases from the app settings. If the download is blocked, sign out of the store account on the device, restart, then sign back in and recheck purchases. This clears many license sync errors. If sharing failed, verify family group membership and payment method. Only contact store support after these steps, because most issues are resolved by reauthentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.